loves, it's Sam. I have a get ready with me today. The first thing we're gonna take is the J'adore, is how you say it, I think? Dior, J'adore, or is it J'adore? I'm not really sure. This is the body cream. It smells so good. It's a very elegant scent, I would say. This is very, very luxurious. You guys, look at the glow. Oh God, and it smells so good. Like, the packaging itself is just so beautiful. And then we're gonna go in with the perfume. So this is the J'adore perfume. So I'm just gonna layer that on top. Oh God, it smells so good. And I feel like when you mix them together, like when you put the perfume and the lotion on together, it literally stays so much better. I've already put my skincare and my sunscreen on, but today I'm actually just gonna go in. My skin is really unhappy with me. I don't know if you guys can see all this mess. Tried a few different products and my skin is really upset, like real mad. It's been horrendous. The whole weekend I just masked it up and tried to dry them out as much as possible. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy today because my skin's so unhappy. I'm just gonna go in with my Purlisse BB cream. Whenever my skin's mad at me, I just use this because it's basically like skincare in a makeup. It's SPF 30 as well. My skin just really likes it. Like whenever I use it, my skin's actually better than when I use other things. And we're just gonna let my skin be happy because honestly, it is the worst it's been in a very long time. I tried like a bunch of different products, so I don't know what it is that's done it. Because I tried the new Makeup Forever foundation, I tried the new Patrick Star primer, I used the new CoverGirl Revlon serum skin tint, so I don't know which one was the culprit. So I'm just gonna kind of like blend that down. Gonna add a little bit more sparkly lotion just because I feel like I kind of took some of that off. Oh God, now I've put way too much. You guys, I just got the worst news ever. So one of my best friends from when I was, oh, I can't believe it. Like, I'm literally so shocked. So one of my best friends that I've known since I was 7, she's lived in her house since she was born. It's her childhood home. And yesterday during Super Bowl, it burnt. And my brother just sent me the post. She's like lost all of her stuff. She just made a post on Facebook asking for like clothes for her girls. She has 2 daughters. Like, how insane is that? Oh my God, I'm just so shocked. And I'm just like so sad for her. I just cannot even believe it. Like, what on earth? And she's just done a remodel on the house. Like, I don't even think it was done yet. You just never know when you're gonna wake up and your life is gonna be completely turned upside down. Like, I feel like ever since my mom died, I kind of just like gave up planning my life. Like, my life got completely turned upside down, you know, like everything that I left all my family. It was just me, my dad, my brother, and my sister, and I was 14. Like, it completely changed my life. Even when I try to plan and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do this, you never know. Like, so many things have happened where we've like had this plan and we've like, okay, this is gonna be this and we'll do this and we'll do that, and then like literally life just is like, you're an idiot. I feel like that's definitely happened to us lately. I've just kind of given up. I'm like not planning anymore. It's got its own plan for you. I'm actually like, you know when your heart feels like a little bit like fluttery? I kind of feel like that at the moment. I'm just feeling so sad for her. Like, she's just had one thing after another happen to her. Oh, she just had a knee replacement at the age of 38. Like, she's just literally, she has worse luck than I have. Like, you guys know how I always joke that like I have the worst luck. Her luck is way worse than mine. Life is so crappy to the best people, and then it seems like the worst people just float through life and it's like nothing bad happens to them, and then these people who are so good and so wonderful, all the crap happens, and it's just so unfair. Anyway, I'll just have everything linked in the description box because I haven't said anything at this point. For blush, I'm gonna use Dior Hologram. I just love this blush so much. It's my favorite. It's just so sparkly and pretty. It just puts down the most gorgeous like sparkle to the cheeks. It's like a really pretty like pink with like purple little like holographic sparkles. And I don't have any lights on right now. I just have the window. So this is just all natural light. And I'm gonna take Hourglass. This is super pretty. It's Incandescent Electra. Lately I've just been using NARS. I'm gonna take Peach Pie. So along my jaw with this. For lips, I'm just going to take Pillow Talk per usual. Then I'm going to take the new Penelope Pink from Charlotte Tilbury. That's like a nice nude. Then we're going to take Dior Addict. This was like one of my little free gifts that I got in the Dior order. This is the Lip Maximizer in 001 Pink. It's just a super cute tiny one. And I haven't actually got this, which is super exciting. Look how cute that is. This is so perfect for your purse. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like super shiny and it's like kind of creamy. It's like a creamy clear. My sister is texting me. I bet she just saw the post as well. This smells so good. It's like vanilla mint. I love that. I'm gonna put that in my purse. Now we need to do brows. First, I'm gonna take my Morphe Latte. Like my brows have been so misbehaved lately. I don't know, I love lamination because when it's laminated, they're so great and they stay in place. But then once the lamination starts to wear off, honestly, it's like, they're so wild. They're just all over the place and it makes it really, really difficult to work with because the hairs just go crazy and then they won't tame. Like part of me loves it, but then part of me is like, hey, you're annoying me. 2024 was supposed to be better. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying not to think about it, but I'm so upset for her. Like, we literally went to lunch and just were like complaining about how crap 2023 was for the both of us. And I was like, 2024 is gonna be our year. It's gonna be so much better. Like, good things are coming. And yet another year of freaking crap for her. Life is just so cruel. I'm just so angry. This is what happens. First I get sad and then I get mad. Okay, this is new from Benefit. This is the Precisely My Brow Wax. I have the color 2. Okay, I'm gonna take the Red Aspen Fulfilled palette and I'm just gonna use the light shade to do underneath my brows. It's called Balance. I've said this before, this palette is very, very expensive, but worth every penny. And then I'm gonna go in with Exhale, Embrace, and Purpose. Then I'm gonna go in with Comfort. Then I'm gonna go in with Purpose and Comfort again. Then I'm gonna take this color Home, which is like a dark brown. I think I'm actually gonna take Hologram and I'm just gonna kind of brush that over the lid. I just wanna see if the sparkles will show. I don't know if they're strong enough. They're probably not, but it does give it a really pretty little pinky kind of tint. This is the How Many Carats. I'm gonna go over the top with that. I'm also gonna take that just underneath here and up here. So just subtle little sparkle. And then I think I'm just gonna go in with my actual finger and just pop that on the lid. just for a little extra something. Yeah, I feel like that's working a little bit better. Okie doke. For the waterline, I'm gonna go in with a cream liner. Then I'm gonna go in with my lash primer. We do have a new mascara to try out from Dior that I got as a free gift. So I always use a lash primer like no matter what mascara I use, because otherwise I just don't think it does anything for my lashes. Okay, this is called the Dior Show Iconic Over Curl. I just got like a little small travel one. This was free as well. The wand is really curved, which I like. I like curved ones. That's how my favorite mascara is that I use on a daily basis is. I just feel like, I don't know, there's something about a curved wand that just like makes your lashes look so much better. Also, sorry if you can hear all the construction behind. It's so loud today. I don't know what they're doing, but it's like really loud. I wore this mascara the other day and it actually made my lashes really curly, and they stayed curly the entire day, so I was quite impressed. See how like lifted they are? It really does a good job of curling, and I honestly feel like if I had like the full size it would be even better, because sometimes it's really hard to get in there when you have these like shorter travel size wands, because it's like kind of difficult to like not get the wand like handle too close to your face when it's like the the short travel ones. It's a very, very lightweight formula and it's dry, so they don't fall. Okay, so as you can see, my lashes are like nice and lifted and curled. Like, it does a really good job. This is the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I'm taking the color Strobe and I'm just popping that into the inner corner. I am going to go ahead and brush off any extra powder that might still be on. That peach pie kind of just disappears into the skin, which is nice. So there's really not a whole lot left. Then I'm going to take a Trace from Dior. This is another one of my absolute favorites. I use it way too much, but it's just a really pretty coral color. I like to keep that one up a little higher. It just kind of adds a little bit of color back into the face. And then I'm gonna go back in with that Dior, the Backstage Glow, and I'm gonna take this pink one and I'm just gonna pop that on the cheeks. Then I'm gonna go and brush off and kind of go in between these two and just add a little glow to the forehead. Oh yeah, that's cute. I also got this as a free gift. It's the Eden Rock by Christian Dior. You guys, this smells so unbelievably delicious. I absolutely love this scent. So I'm actually gonna mix a little bit of it with the J'adore. So I'm gonna take some on my wrist. Oh God, this one is so good. It's kind of salty. Like, there's a little bit of a beachiness to it. Like, it's kind of got that like sea salt, kind of creamy, like aquatic kind of feel to it. Mixed with the J'adore, it's actually really nice. Oh, I smell so good. And then I'm just gonna top it off now that I'm all done. Okay, I'm gonna add my earrings. So these ones are Miranda Fry. I'll just have them linked. I can't remember what they're called. And then these ones are Oaken Luna. That is me done, guys. There is my face of the day. Hopefully you guys can tell. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's so sparkly. It's like really beautiful. And the skin looks very glowy. It just looks really pretty.